Wow. Wow. You have a loading wall in the back to remove your subs?
Yeah, there's plexiglass.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What subs are these?
X15s.
Okay. Oh, Sundown X15s on a... So it's 3?
Yeah.
What is it wired to then?
0.33.
Really? 0.3 on a 12K MD. Is this a half ohm amp?
No.
This is a 1 ohm amp. Really? So you're rolling?
I got box rides. It's crazy box rides.
It is? Okay. On a Limitless 70?
Yeah.
Nice. How did you meet her?
55.8.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. For a C-pillar, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Are you demoing or cooling off?
You want
Are you demoing or are you cooling off?
yeah, I can demo.
Awesome. While you're over here, I'll catch you. Appreciate it, man. Oh, yeah. What was your name?
Bobby.
Bobby, okay. Uh-oh, glass broke.
Yeah.
Wow. You built this?
Yep.
Looks good.
Thanks.
Nice. $54 Hertz.
Yeah.
Okay, so you play what bandwidth?
Honestly, I don't know.
You're not? Okay.
Down to about 27 now. Whatever.
Yeah, 27 to 60, 55, something around there. Okay. Nice. You got one more song maybe?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. It's really punchy.
Burping is dropping down to like 10. Like,
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so when you full tilt it on a burp, it'll go down to 10 volts?
Yeah. I got
Man.
a 270 alternator, but
Yeah.
it's still, I need more lithium.
More battery bank?
Yeah.
Okay. How low do you play down to?
About 27.
This is DJ Rustical. Damn right, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, sure, no
Thanks for showing me. Woo. Wow. Oh, musical. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.